In this video, we'll go from zero to running a Coast. You'll need Mac OS, Docker, Node.js, and a project that uses Git. First, we'll install Coasts. Then run Coast daemon install. This registers the Coast daemon as a background service. Think of it like Docker Desktop's engine. It runs behind the scenes and manages your Coast instances. If you skip this step, you'll have to manually start the daemon every time, so it's recommended to just run it when you first install Coast. Next, add a Coast file to the root of your project. This is a TOML file that points to your existing Docker Compose bare services, or a mix of both, and it defines the ports and configuration of your build. Here's a simple example. At the top, we give the project a name and point to our Docker Compose file. Then we define our ports. That's the minimum you need to get started. Now, the fastest way to create a Coast file is to let your coding agent do it. The Coast CLI ships with a built-in prompt that teaches any AI agent the full Coast file schema. Tell your agent to run Coast installation prompt, or copy the output into your agent's chat. It will analyze your project and generate a Coast file for you. Before starting your first Coast, make sure you bring down any running dev environment. Stop your Docker Compose, kill any local dev servers. Coasts manage their own ports and will conflict with anything already listening. Once your Coast file is ready, run Coast build and then Coast run. That's it. Now you have a running Coast. You can verify with Coast LS and see your ports with Coast ports. To open the Coast Guard UI, run Coast UI. The last step is giving your coding agent the necessary context to work with Coasts. The skill teaches your agent how to manage and interact with Coasts and get the information it would need to send commands to specific environments. If you want to run an orchestration layer, this is essential. Tell your agent to run Coast skills prompt or copy the output into your agent's chat, and it will write the skill to its own config file, whether it's a ClaudeMD, AgentsMD, Cursor rules, or whatever your agent uses. To recap, install Coasts, add a Coast file, build, run, and teach your agent. Check out the rest of the series where we go deeper into the UI, ports, volumes, checkout, and more advanced configurations.